Hey, this is Jenny Jones, the digital marketing coach here, powered by SaaS Use Case TV. Hey, listen, what I wanted to do was tell you what I'm reading and tell you how I'm still growing where an economy that is contracting and it's actually shrinking. And what I want to do is I want you to be careful on not being complacent in an environment where people are cutting back their spending because people are still growing. I think now most of your best businesses have been developed in a contractionary or inflationary period of time. And so what I wanted to share with you, if this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like, subscribe. I'm always giving you these different ideas, trying to help you take your digital marketing game to the next channel. This one is about Creator U, but it's about this journey that I'm on to create my second monetized channel. I was inspired by Rocky here for YouTube traffic. He has a class here, but I want to show you he's done something else here as well. But he grew his first channel by accident, which I did as well as my first channel. I grew that by accident, took off. It's monetized now. Now I'm on a second journey of growing my second channel, but I wanted to document the growth so that I can actually share it and actually put it into a book and obviously sell it or a course. So one of the things I learned here, and a lot of things I think you can learn here, is you can take from it and you can repurpose it and create your own products or services just by the things that you learn. I always think you need to be where you're learning. So let me just kind of tell you what I'm looking at right now. And it's under the traffic and ads. So if you come to you log into Creator U, you come to traffic and ads. If you're trying to get traffic and you're trying to increase your ads, this is a good place to come. So I come here, and if you do get an opportunity, obviously there will be a link inside below that you can take a look at Creator U. But Rocky has this one course. It's called YouTube Traffic. YouTube Traffic. He is a phenomenal when it comes to YouTube traffic. And I'm going to show you what I've done since going through his course at the beginning of the month. And I did some other things and I went through something else. And I just want to show you what the difference has been just over the last month or so. So he has these different classes, simple wins. Simple wins is what I want to show you is I want to show you a couple of simple wins. Proof is in the pudding. Obviously, the Family Feud method. He talks about, hey, if you go to the Family Feud, you know, the 100 people surveyed, and he kind of gives you this exercise that you can go through where people may actually ask you what people may have, a lot of different things, how to piggyback competitors' videos. Right. He talks about that, clickable thumbnails. But this is what got me going. These are the major colors that have clickable thumbnails. This particular 3-minute video is worth the power of trying to just grow your YouTube channel. But let me show you what else that he did. And let me show you what else I think is powerful. He came back, and this is where I went through and I doubled down on what he did. He came back and showed how his second channel monetized, and I'm on the verge of trying to monetize my second channel. And it's funny because all the things that he did for his channel, his first channel, he documented it and he started selling it. Now he's back. He has two courses here in Creator U, and he came back and he did it again with his second channel. This is crazy, right? And so how he went from 0 to 100,000 YouTube subscribers. He talks about YouTube Shorts. He's done some research on that. So a couple of different things here are going on. One of the things I wanted to share with you as I close this video out, and I'm going to show you some of my small wins that has happened just as a result of this, but combining that with a tool called VidIQ. And this is not just VidIQ, this is VidIQ Max, where you have these actual people that have millions and millions of followers right on here. They're showing you how to grow your channel. They have a Discord group as well. People can answer your questions. One we just had March 6th was how to tell stories better on YouTube. Right. They talked about that, but you have over 50 to 60 different on-session videos, right? Where they're talking about from long form stress to short term form success with Rocky. Rocky grew his long form channel just off of short form, and he takes you on that journey. This is worth its weight in gold. So both of these, a link to both of these. If you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, if you're trying to figure out what you need to do, I'm going to show you 2 different tools to do that. Those 2 tools, again, no hype, no fluff. I don't believe in that. I'm a small wins guy. Any small win measured on a monthly basis or a weekly basis is a win indeed. So let me show you I'm going to just walk you through a quick video of some of the small wins that I've had. Let me get over to that screen so you can see that. All right, so what I wanted to do is get you over to the screen that you can actually see it. And they're just small wins, right? But I've had my best month since going through Rocky's class and combining it and mixing it in with VidIQ. I've been able to grow my channel incrementally. So I've had my best month ever. March 26th was documented. I'm up to 2,200 right now, but they're letting me know I've gone over 2,000 views for the month. So this was achieved this month, as you see this video, over 2,000 views. These are just some of the things that I've implemented off of what Rocky was saying from Creator U. And then also what I did was, this is another one. I've had over 822 views. This has been my top month, again, March. I've gone in, looked at Rocky's stuff, studied it, and did the Family Feud exercise, did the bracelet exercise, and I'm telling you, it is by far changing my channel, and it's growing, right? So this is 822 views this month. Check back, make sure you subscribe, see how I'm growing, and see if these things are actually working. What else? Did 50 hours watched. That happened on March 21st. I've gone over 50 hours. I think I'm up to like 56 hours now, but if I go over 60, I'll probably repost this as well. So I've gone over 50 hours. That's insane, right? And then one of the last ones I did was, this has been my top month in hours watched, period, right? And so this particular month, people have consumed over 17 hours of my content. Again, I'm on a journey to get 4,000 hours watched, but that's just a small achievement. So any one of these I've done, just to go back through them, total 50 hours and 822 views and over 2,000 views. Hey, this is your first time to this channel. I'm always going to go through breakdown. We're going to look at software. We're going to look at what's the best CRMs, what's the best email, what's the best AI tools. I'm always going to do that and break that down, bring it to SaaS Use Case TV so we can look at case studies, mixing different tools together. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones, digital marketing coach. Until next time, take care. Goodbye for now.